Scrolling along with Susan here. I'm back with another video on my scroll saw. This is my Dewalt 788, and I wanted to show you how I have upgraded it to fit my needs. So here we go. On my Dewalt 788, here are the upgrades that I have made. First of all, this grabber, it actually grabs this tool that loosens the blade, was from Steve Good's website, his blog spot, and you can download that for free and make one of your own. I have problems with my hands. I have cast on one right now, but this helps not put as much stress on your thumb, and it's really been so helpful to me. So to loosen the blade, I just put it on the screw tightener, and then I'm able to loosen the blade and change it. It is an extra step because you have to pick it up and have it handy in order to tighten it again. But for those of us who have a little bit of a handicap with our hands, it's very helpful. The other upgrade that I made was in the Pegasus changers, or the blade changers. And I ordered that online, and it's kind of expensive. It's about $70. But my ones that came standard with my Dewalt wore out after many years of service. And so I decided to upgrade to something that has been so helpful to me. It's much easier for tightening, and it's lightweight, and it's supposed to last many more years than the standard Dewalt 788 blade holders. So I upgraded with that. I do have a foot switch down here too, so instead of turning it on and off and on and off and on and off, I'm able to adjust it or turn it on and off with my foot, and that saves a lot of time, especially for fret working. My other upgrade would be the arm lifter. Also, you can get that online. So all you have to do when you install it is lift up. It grabs automatically, allows you to change to a different hole that you drilled and continue cutting. To come back down, you lift it up a little bit, and then you're ready to tighten your blade again. And this has been very helpful to me too, saving a lot of time. Now, if you don't do a lot of fret working, you might not need the lifter, but if you do a lot of fret working, it helps immensely. So I'll do a little bit of cutting here, and I'll show you how I operate. So I'm using my foot switch. I got to do a little bit of adjusting here because I had to come into a sharp point. So bear with me here while I finish. You see how easy it was to stop and start with the foot switch. I'm ready to go into a different hole that I drilled using my blade tool changer, lifting up. And ready to start with another cutting. So that's my little demo today. I hope this shows you that even if you're working with a handicap or you're older and you don't think you have the strength to scroll, there are things out there that can assist you and make things easier. I'm scrolling along with Susan. Thanks for watching.